Suspect attacked in criminal court. It came as a New Orleans woman admitted to helping her boyfriend set a house fire, killing his 3 kids inside, and she changed her plea to guilty. WDSU investigative reporter Cassie Sherm has the jarring moments happening right after the suspect admitted to her role in this tragic triple murder. Cassie.
Well, Travers, it actually happened right inside the courtroom earlier this morning when our crews were there listening to the family do witness testimonies when a woman from the very back came rushing in and attacked Phillips. Now, Phillips, she is the girlfriend, or was the girlfriend, of Joseph Washington, who was recently convicted of first-degree murder in connection with the case. He admitted to killing his 3 children in the house fire last October. The woman who rushed Phillips is identified as Angel Donsero. Now, Donsero said in court that she was close to the family and the children who were killed, saying she took the kids to football practice and to get their haircuts. She was taken into custody and held in contempt of court. Now, a spokesperson for the Orleans Parish Sheriff's Office tells me more deputies were on staff today in anticipation of any disruption. That's because Joseph Washington was previously attacked at another hearing. Now, security expert Mike Kahn says where the deputies are placed in the courtroom can make all the difference.
It's going to take them a little bit longer to get to where the threat is, or get to where it's going to be if someone jumps out of their seat inside the courtroom and tries to attack someone at one of the tables. So you want to make sure that they're positioned potentially around those tables and in between the tables and the potential threat.
Now, OPSO says that Phillips was not physically assaulted. I've asked for more clarification on that because there are some conflicting stories I'm hearing right now, but we have not heard back from them just yet. But after today's altercation, court was adjourned and it's been pushed to Thursday to resume, and we will be there to continue to follow on this case. Reporting here at Criminal Court, I'm Cassie Sherm. Back to you.
Cassie.